In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export with sRGB in Darktable. If you want your photos to look consistent across phones, laptops, and web browsers, the key is exporting them in the standard sRGB color space. That way, the colors you carefully edited won't shift or appear dull when shared online. Start by switching to the light table view, where you see your image thumbnails. This is the hub for managing and exporting photos. Once you're there, select the photo or the set of photos you want to export. You can click a single image, or use your usual multi-select shortcuts to pick several at once. Selected images will be highlighted, so you know exactly what's queued for export. On the right side, open the Export Selected panel. If it's collapsed, click it to expand. This panel controls how and where Darktable will save your files. Under Format/Storage, choose File on Disk, which is the normal saving option to write files to your computer. This keeps things simple and ensures the exported files land in the folder specified in this panel. Next, scroll within the Export panel to find the Profile setting. This is where you tell Darktable which color space to embed in the file. Set the profile to sRGB or sRGB WebSafe if that's how it appears in your list. Both refer to the standard web color space, ensuring broad compatibility and predictable colors on most screens. Avoid wider gamut profiles here, unless you're targeting a specific color-managed workflow, because many apps and browsers assume sRGB. Now choose JPEG as the format and set the quality. A range around 90 to 95 is a great balance between file size and detail. 90 is usually more than enough for web sharing without visible compression artifacts, while 95 preserves a touch more texture for critical images. Going higher can inflate file size without noticeable gains. With those settings in place, click Export at the bottom. Darktable will process your selection and write the JPEGs to the chosen destination. You'll see progress as it works through multiple images, and once it's done, your files are ready to share. Thanks to the embedded sRGB profile, they should look consistent across modern devices and websites. Remember, sRGB is the safest color profile for general screen viewing and web use. Use it as your default export choice unless a client or a print service explicitly requests something different. That way, what you see in Darktable is what others will see online.